Hey, are your clothes stuck in your Samsung ventless or vented all-in-one combo unit and you can't get the door open? I got you. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Now, I'm just assuming that you've never opened this and taken a look at the locking mechanism on this. I wanted to show you what it looks like so that way you know kind of what you're dealing with. I wanted to show you guys this so you know what you're dealing with. So you've got a lock here, and this one is loose. Then I also wanted to show you this, okay? This right here, so whenever you push the door in like this, okay, it pushes in right here and flips that up. Well, I assume that yours is probably powered off just like this one. There's really not a lot of room in here, but you might be able to to that door. So there you go, right there. Okay, so now we can shut the door, open it back, shut the door, open it back. Listen, this can very well damage your machine, so do this at your own risk. But if you've got clothes that are stuck in there, this is one way to do it. The other way, completely take the whole front frame off. I'll link a video to that one down in the description below, but that's the other way to do it. It takes a lot more work. You may be able to just take a long, thin screwdriver, get up in there, twist it, pull it out just like I did in this video. But again, this could very well damage the lock, so I'm not responsible if you mess something up. This is just for educational and informational purposes only. But be sure to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Take care. God bless you.